Yo, what's good with y'all? Today's video, I'm about to show you guys how to make a code system. This video was long requested, like I'm not even gonna lie. This was requested like I think back in April, so it's been about almost 2 months since it was requested and stuff. So, and my fault to, how do you say his name? I just know it's like, it's one of the people on my Discord server. He always be DMing me and stuff. Well, when you're watching this video, I appreciate you for suggesting and I appreciate you for showing your love and stuff like that. It's just his name is confusing. Yeah, I can't really remember like in my head. But anyway, yeah, I already have the script already written because I'm already knowing. I'm gonna forget like maybe one or two things and then be sitting here for like a few minutes trying to figure it out. So what's the point in that when I could just have the script already ready and then just explain it to y'all? So yeah, you're gonna want to insert a server script into server script service. If you don't already know, make sure you have data stores enabled. I'll have a video at the end that shows how to enable data stores. And yeah. So we open up the code script. So first things first, we have a table full of codes, right? So we have code 1, code 2, code 3. These are all just examples. So we have, of course, the variable for the code data store because we need a method or like we need some way to be able to save whether or not a player has already redeemed the code, since they should only be able to redeem it a certain amount of times depending on whatever the limit is on your game and stuff. But for the way I made it so it's simply just you redeem it once and you can't redeem it at all after. So pretty much it checks if you have any data. If you have data, it will automatically update the values. By the way, just in case you were wanting to add on to this and you were wondering how, you would literally just copy and paste this here. You would literally change these to, of course, code 2, then you would just change this to 2, just in case you were wondering how to do it, if you wanted to add more and stuff. But anyway, pretty much if you don't have any data, it'll automatically create the new values and it'll set their default value to false, of course. These are booleans, which means it's either a true or false and stuff. You know, obviously if it has a check mark, it's true. If no check mark, then false. And then I put it in a pcall because obviously you won't have it in a projected call. Pretty much if you don't know what that means it'll continue to run. If you have something set up like this, it'll continue to run in case it fails. It's very important to have these when you're dealing with data saving because sometimes data stores get overloaded or just generally don't save and stuff. I have it set up to where it automatically saves when a player leaves and stuff. Oh, by the way, as well, when you do also add in, if you do add in another code, you would also want to just copy and paste this, do another one, and then just change code to. You would update the name to whatever your name is and stuff. But yeah, so pretty much the player says the what's it called? When a player says something, pretty much it's gonna search to see if the first word they said is within the code table, and if it matches it, it'll then check to make sure, like, one, it matches, and two, it'll check to make sure that the value under the player is equal to false, which means the player has not redeemed yet. And if it is equal to false, it'll then set the value to true. I don't have any leader stats and stuff, but if there was leader stats, and you were wondering like how to add stuff, you would pretty much do. You would usually have a folder that says leader stats. You would do like player.leaderstats dot, I guess was it cache dot value is equal to player dot. This would not autofill, by the way. Well, maybe for y'all, but I didn't set up leader stats, so this won't autofill. Oh, actually, no, never mind. It wouldn't either way. But anyway, is equal to cache leader stats plus I don't know, 1,000, depending on however much you're giving away. This is how you would pretty much like add on whatever it is you're giving out. I don't know if you're giving out XP, money, points, whatever. That's how you would do it and some stuff. So it's pretty simple. And then if I join the game, you guys are going to see the value is already set to true because I already redeemed the code. If you guys look, it's already set to true. But now, what's it called? But now if I actually, hold on, let me set it to false real quick. This pretty much will just undo what I guess we'll say redeems. Because if I go on the server and then I uncheck it, it's going to save when I leave. It saves upon me leaving. So when I rejoin, it should have saved it being unchecked. Let's see. Okay, there we go. It's not checked. So if I type code1, as you guys can see, it's not checked, and it'll save upon me leaving. That's how you make a code system. Very simple. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little confused. Like I thought it'd be a lot more complicated, but honestly, it really wasn't when I started figuring it out. But anyway, Hope the video was helpful, especially the person who requested it. Appreciate you for waiting, being patient, and appreciate the suggestion. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys.